Hello, this is Sean, and I'm going to show you how to open a pair of handcuffs with a regular drinking straw. Now these handcuffs are cutaway handcuffs that show the inner workings of the handcuff. It has plexiglass over here. This is a standard pair of handcuffs. You can see the ratchet. You can see the pawl, or what's called a locking bar, and the spring that holds it in place. Now in order to open this standard single lock handcuff with the drinking straw, you take the drinking straw and split it about 6 to 8 inches. Now you want to open up this split, and you're going to the cuff is locked. You're going to saddle the split right over the teeth here, which I've done. And a little trick here is to pinch the very tip of the split straw in order to get it inside the cuff. And as you can see, it's riding on top of the notches, the ratchet teeth. And then at the point it meets the pawl, you'll feel resistance, but you want to push it in, and the ratchet will give 1 or 2 notches, and now you're ready to pull the ratchet out, because it's going to slide underneath the buffer zone created by the straw. The buffer zone is the space in between the ratchet teeth and the locking pawl right here. Now as you go to slide out the ratchet, you want to pin the straw in place, or else it will just drag out the straw and the pawl and the ratchet teeth will engage again. Therefore it would relock. So you put your finger here and you slide the ratchet out, and that method is what's called shimming. So that's how you shim a pair of single lock handcuffs with a regular drinking straw. Thank you.